My dear brothers and sisters, I was asked a question whether Allah is the same God as the God of the Old Testament. And I would like to elaborate on that. The answer to that question is yes. That's really, there's no argument there. Really exactly the same. And therefore, no matter what you hear, even if some Jews tell you that, we don't believe in the same God as the Muslims do, they're only saying this because of political reasons. And everybody knows this, since Jews and Muslims are at war in Israel, so some Jews may be prone to say, therefore anything Muslims do, it's wrong. They will believe in a different God, they do this, but this is all nonsense, and in fact, Rabbi Moshe ben Maimon, who was probably the biggest scholar that ever lived. He lived about 1,000 years ago. He said he was really critical of those who are, spreading lies just because of a political reason. And he was really critical. And he says those who say that Muslim concept of God is different and it's like idol. He says these are bad. This is bad people. I don't know exactly which word he used, but he was really critical of those people. And he says that, in fact, the Muslim concept of God is exactly the same. And not only that, he says if a Jew needs to pray, he is allowed to go to a mosque and pray together with the Muslims, because the Muslim concept of God is exactly the same as the Jewish concept of God. There's no argument there. So to answer the question, I want to repeat it and to make sure everybody really understands that. Yes, the Allah is really the same God of the Torah. Allah is the same God of the Torah. As far as God goes, or Allah goes, we believe in the same God. In fact, as a Jew, I can say and I can freely say this, and without even any hesitations, I can use the Arabic phrase Allahu Akbar and have no problem saying this. Allahu Akbar, I can say this all I want. And even the part of the Shahada that the Muslims say, Lo ilaha illa Allah, I can also freely say this, and I don't feel any, remorse about saying this, because their concept of God is exactly the same as the Jewish concept of God. Thank you for watching.